Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get your Facebook password on your Google account. So first you open your Google and you make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you will see the three dots on the top right corner. You click on that, then you will see the option passwords and autofill. When you put the mouse on it, you will see three options. We are going to choose Google Password Manager. Then in the search we are going to type Facebook. And you can see this one. You click on that, you enter your PIN of your device, then as you can see you can access the Facebook and see your account logged in and connected to your Google account, and you choose which account and you can see the password. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.